Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We've been talking about Khidr alayhi salam, and comes a question that why Khidr is called Khidr when his name is not Khidr. We talked about in our last lecture what is the real name of Khidr and what is his lineage all the way to Adam alayhi salam. Historians are of the viewpoint that Khidr comes from Khadr, which is green color. And one qawl in this regard is that why he's called Khidr, because wherever he would stay, the land would turn green. If there was no grass there, grass would start growing there. Another qawl is that whenever he would pray anywhere, after he's done praying, that land will start growing greenery. And in one of the hadith, it mentions that Khidr is called Khidr because if he sits on a dried grass, when he gets up, it will start turning green. And ulama is of the viewpoint that that is the main reason why he's called Khidr. And Musa alayhi salam saw him that he was laying down on a green grass and he had a cloth that was covering his entire body. These details are collected in Tahzib al-Asma'i wal-Lughat, Volume 1, page 176, Al-Bidaya wal-Nihaya, Volume 1, page 327, Hayatul Haywan al-Kubra, Volume 1, page 484, Tarikh al-Khamis. Imam Bukhari mentions in Sahih al-Bukhari, Kitab Bad al-Khalq, hadith of Khidr alayhi salam ma'a Musa alayhi salam. Imam Tirmizi brings some references of this in Jami' al-Tirmizi in Abwab Tafsir al-Quran under Surah al-Kahf. Similarly, in Mirat al-Israr, al-Isaba, in Qasas al-Anbiya written by Imam Ibn Kathir. So there are several different references of the information that I've shared with you today. As far as the parents of Khidr alayhi salam is concerned, I gave you a great detail of that last time. However, there are some other details that I want to mention very briefly with you. One viewpoint that is mentioned in Al-Isaba is that Khidr alayhi salam's one of his parents was from Persia and another one was from Rome. Said ibn Musayyib, and this particular viewpoint is in Al-Isaba, but Said ibn Musayyib, rahimahullah, he's of the view that his mother was from Rome and his father was from Persia. And remember that Said ibn al-Musayyib is from Quraysh. He's from the Banu Makhzum tribe, which is the tribe of Khalid ibn Walid radiyallahu anhu. And Said ibn al-Musayyib's dad as well as his grandfather, they were both companions of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he himself was a very famous tabi'i, the student of Sahaba. And he was a muhaddith, he was a faqih. And he was married to daughter of Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. Then we have a lot of ulama who are of the point of view that he was from Persia. And some Sufiya is of the viewpoint that Khidr alayhi salam was from Persia and he was born very close to a place called Shiraz. And all of these details can be found in Miratul Israr, Volume 1, page 35, Qasas al-Anbiya, Volume 2, page 520, and Al-Isaba, Volume 2, page 287. And I already mentioned to you, I believe, a week ago that Khidr alayhi salam got married to a woman and all of that detail, and Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw the palace of that woman in heaven when he was on Mi'raj. Anyway, we'll continue from here. Till next time, take care of yourself. We will continue talking more about Khidr alayhi salam and some of the other details. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.